This is Gary from Datamen Official. Today we have the 2017 Ford F-150 RAPTOR 3D scan data of the front fascia, roof, fenders, and the cabin. Right, so this is a snip from our site. This is a description, and be advised it's available as a solid part file and a step file with an archive. And upon purchasing the file, this is the archive you will get. We can extract this for you. So these are the contents: the gallery, the part file, and the step file, and the disclaimer. So as you can see, the part file is a 2021 SolidWorks compatible file, which is just 22 MB, guys. We have cleaned the data up to the maximum extent to eliminate unnecessary geometries. We optimize the mesh for you to be able to work properly in low-end PCs as well. So here's the file, and as you can see, it's very smooth to operate. There's no lag at all, and we have gone to get to the minute details: the grills, the wiper blades, the air intakes, the fenders, the roof, the sunroof, and the front fascia counterline for you to make amazing off-road bumpers or do your R&D and stuff as you please it, right? You can amazingly use the roof data for making a roof rack, and you have the rear lights, the cabin there. So here you can take references from this, see, scale up to the scale, and now easily workable file. You can hide the hood, you can hide the logo if you don't want. Properly division them the way it has to be. As a matter of fact, we'll show you quickly how to make a bumper right now. Okay, just gonna make a random sketch here of this counter line and show you quickly how smooth the file is, how you can effectively use this for your R&D purposes, for making amazing vehicle products for this car as well. So yes, let's offset this. And by the way, so this is for if you're an off-road manufacturer or a vehicle accessories manufacturer, this will help you to save a lot of time on your R&D, right? And it'll help you to speed up your R&D process, get the product the way you want it to be, as always. So as you can see here, this is a random sketch we did, and it's very smooth and very effective to be utilized for your projects, for your DIY projects, or for developing vehicle accessories, right? So we have still more to come. Right now from Datamen, we're looking into expanding our horizon. Like we have our brand new 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser lined up, or the 2023 Toyota Tundra. So let us know, guys, in the comments what you guys need, and we'll get it done for you. As always, your peace of mind is yours always.